Welcome to Lesson Plan Kitchen. Today we're going to be making my grandma's quick fruit salad recipe with a basic version using these 4 ingredients and 5 other iterations that I think you'll also find satisfactory for any potlucks or picnics. This recipe really is as quick as the name suggests. You'll start by putting the cherry pie filling in a bowl, and then you'll drain the juices from the other cans before adding those ingredients. Now, my grandma probably used like the heavy syrup version of all of these, but I've chosen to specifically make this salad a bit healthier. Be sure to combine all the ingredients well and put it in a lovely display dish before serving. Each version of this dish makes about 12 servings, and the basic version comes in at about 73 calories. To modify the recipe into the 5 other versions, gather these ingredients and you can get started. Grandma's original recipe called for bananas and marshmallows as optional, but marshmallows aren't vegan, so I've substituted those out with almonds. You can see the slight nutritional differences in the chart on the screen. If you're wanting to make something like a pie in a glass or a parfait, take 1/3 cup old-fashioned oats, 1/4 cup TVP, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Put about 1 tablespoon in the bottom of a serving glass before adding the quick fruit salad. And once more, you'll see some adjustments to the calories and other macronutrients. Combining the basic quick fruit salad with the almond yogurt will result in a creamy quick fruit salad with this nutrition information. Again, you can add the bananas and almonds to the creamy quick fruit salad, resulting in these macros. Finally, putting everything together results in a quick fruit salad parfait. While it does have the most calories, it also has the most protein and healthy fats. Which version of this quick fruit salad is your favorite? Sound off in the comments and let me know how it goes at your next get-together. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please be sure to give it a like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing, share it with your friends, family who might be interested. More recipes and nutrition information can be found on lessonplankitchen.com and here on YouTube.